Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akhilesh. This video is on best RJ45 Ethernet cable on budget. This is a Quantum RJ45 Ethernet cable which I have ordered through Amazon. I bought it at 279 rupees. The link is given in description. The cable is of 10-meter length with 1 year warranty. The quality of the cable is really good. Even the RJ45 connector is good. If you are looking for a RJ45 Ethernet cable, this is a good choice. You can buy this. Has good length also, 10 meters. Thanks for watching the video. Please do support by subscribing the channel. Thank you.